In this video, I'll share with you the best settings for shooting portraits with your kit lens. The kit lens is the lens that came with your camera, so this is a budget-friendly lesson. Okay, speed up, Hannah. Okay.
Hannah is going to be your host for this video. Okay, take it away, Hannah. Okay, there you go.
Sup, guys? My name is Hannah. I'll be your host. Kit lens?
Kit lens, that's correct. That's correct. This is a kit lens.
Oh. I have a Sony A7 II, which is a full-frame camera, but these settings will work on any camera. Step 1. Set your camera. What am I supposed to do? I don't know how to work a camera, so... Set your camera to auto ISO. Press the ISO button and turn the dial until it reads auto. Step 2. Set your camera to aperture priority. Turn the style to the A. Step 3. Set your camera to the lowest aperture number on your lens. Turn this dial until it reads the lowest number. It will usually be a number between 3.5 and 5.6. For portraits, you want to use a low number, which is wide aperture, to create a shallow depth of field. This will blur the background and make your subject stand out. Step 4. Set your color mode to portrait. Color mode is called the creative style on a Sony. I don't like these words. I'm going to pronounce these wrong. Sony, Canon, Nikon.
Perfect.
Color mode is called the creative style on Sony. It's called picture style on a Canon and picture control on a Nikon. This will adjust the color, contrast, and sharpness so the skin looks best. It's funny though. Step 5. Make sure FaceEye Detect is turned on. Not all cameras have this, and it's not super important, but if you have it, turn it on. Step 6. And finally, focus should be on continuous. Press the FN button, and here is the focus mode. Because everyone wiggles a little.
The shot was her, her head was
I'll be back. And finally, focus should be on continuous pressure. Where's the can? No! Don't hurt the model! Okay. Because everyone wiggles a little. This is funny to say. Okay, step 7. Now we can start taking pictures. Set the lens to the lowest I'm gonna laugh at this next time. Set the lens to the lowest number on the lens. Whoa, this is ugly. Her nose is big and this does not flatter her. Next, we're going to step back and zoom. Set the lens to the highest number on the zoom. This is the secret to getting the best portrait from this lens. Okay. The reason for this is because we have 2 eyes. I'm not pointing to my eyes.
Or just pop your
So we always see 2 ears when we look at people. So for the camera to perceive faces the way we perceive faces, it has to be back far enough to see both ears.
You push the button.
Now our model looks much better. Yay, model! Yay! So to summarize, these are the things you need to remember. Set your camera to auto ISO. Set your camera to aperture priority. Set your camera to the lowest aperture number. Set your color mode to portrait. Turn on FaceEye Detect if your camera has it. Set focus to continuous. And finally, the secret sauce, the most important thing to do. Step back and zoom in. If you don't remember anything else, remember this one thing. Zoom all the way in. Have fun taking portraits of your friends and family, and thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button to help support this channel. See ya! It says back to Bill.
Okay, back to them.
No, can I just say it? It's funny. If you just say it. Thanks, Hannah. She did a great job. Yay, Hannah. Clap, clap, clap.